Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, may I know your name?
My name is Annalisa Huplo.
Annalisa, can you tell me something about yourself?
Okay. I am 25 years old, and then I am belong the youngest in family. We have one sister and one brother, and then my mother is housekeeper, and then they have no father, and then they have work experience from Taiwan and Taipei.
多久?
They have 2 years
2 years.
contract.
How many members in the house?
They have 6 members in the house.
Okay, who are they?
One ama, one akong, one baby, 1 year old, and then they have another baby, 12 years old, and then the mother and father of his baby.
Okay. 阿公多少岁?
Just 80 years old.
阿妈呢?
And then ama is 60 years old.
Okay. 早上什么时候起来?
早上我们起来6点，
这么早干嘛?
12点。
我说这么早起来做什么?
He prepared the food of ama akong. And then he take care of the baby.
Okay. You need to send the child go to school?
No, sir.
No need. Okay. What are you doing in the house?
He do in the house every day, clean the house, and then take care of the baby,
Yeah.
and then prepare the food of the baby.
How do you know the baby is sick?
You know how the baby is sick? He didn't drink milk, then he didn't eat food,
Yes.
and then maybe when we sleep, he didn't sleep comfortably. He always cry and cry.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. When you learn that the baby got sick, what you will do?
He always get the temperature, and then maybe he give the medicine.
Okay. When you did something wrong or some mistake in the house, the emperor angry with you and shout with you, what you will do?
We're going to tell ama akong, I'm so sorry, we are not do it again wrong.
阿妈凶吗？有没有骂你?
Sir, pardon?
我说阿妈凶不凶？是不是常常骂你的？没有骂你啊？
没有。
没有？为什么没有的？你没有做错吗？Okay, you know how to cook, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how about the congee?
Sir?
You know how to cook the congee?
Yeah, I know how to cook steamed fish, steamed egg, and then fried vegetables.
晚上什么时候去睡觉？
晚上我睡觉12点。
12点
12 o'clock.
哇，这么晚呢？
Because the baby maybe sleep 12:30 or 1.
在台湾2年有没有放假？
Sir?
在台湾有没有放假啦？
没有。
一天都没有，没有就好了，你会赚很多钱嘛，对吧？
对呀。
在香港要不要放假？
要。
为什么要？要你就要花钱啊。Right?
Yes, sir.
Or once a month is okay?
Okay.
Okay, any message to your future employer?
Yes, sir. Sir, madam, please, my name is Annalisa Hoplo. Please get me as a housemaid of your house. And if you get me, we're going to do my very best. And I promise that I will finish my contract. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.